Let's take a look at how the rule trace view in Corticon Studio dynamically analyzes a rule test. We'll demonstrate the feature with the advanced tutorial, a grocery store model, where customers who have preferred accounts put items into shopping carts. The rules are on the checks rule sheet, which computes things and does calculations and checks requirements. Coupons, which produces coupons for different features and things trigger points in the purchases, and cashback, which does the reconciliation at the end of the purchase. All of those are brought together in a rule flow, all three together, and then led to the checkout. Checkout, here it is. Does a simple thing where it says here's the cumulative cashback. We're kind of guesstimating things here. Here's the customer has a preferred account. Here's the items, cashback red wine, barcode for roses, and when you run a rule test on this, it calculates things and figures things out and puts things together and manages to give you the results of even the coupons and puts on the list down here, including I need to see your ID because there's alcohol in the cart. And so what we have is something here. If I click on this, it doesn't know quite where it is. It says it's there somewhere. It's somewhere in the cart. So the coupons likewise are not clearly defined and connected. So you can't really use this for analysis. We've got it here doing this feature where it shows the metadata, but that's only a way to go trace things back, and it doesn't get you to the rule sheet. Now, if we'd done instead rule trace view, what we'd have is the same result, but what we'd have here shows the things that are in it and shows you, here's, for example, the total here. And I click on it, I see the two lines that relate to that. Here's this one here and this one here. This one shows the discount being applied. And what I can do is I can also sort these by elements so that I kind of get things in an order I want to look at them and put them back into sequence order if I want. And what I can do is I can look at the locations and say, I'd like to look at this rule sheet. So I can just click on a rule sheet and it opens the rule sheet and shows you here's the rule even for this item right here. Here's the column and the row that triggered that. If I want to look at something like the coupons, I can look at the coupons sheet and say here on coupons, I'd like to change this. Let's make the trigger point, because we didn't have a big sale here. Let's make the trigger point 40. And let's change this one to say 5 cents instead of 2. And notice here that what we have is that these here are doing customer coupon plus equals coupon new, which means it's going to spin it out as a separate item, a separate entity, where some of them, like the uh, balloon, is simply a coupon new. Let's see what this does. Let's go back to the checkout. When we run this, it's going to automatically compile all the sheets back together again. So we'll do it here. And what it's made is this new thing where we have the gas purchase. That was the one of moving things to 40. It's made it with a date on it. And we get the coupon balloon down here. And that's all set. And the cash back earned, we've got a larger amount because we've set the trigger higher. And so what this has is a new look at everything here. All of this done in the rule sheets with the rule trace view. Uh, that's the essence of the rule trace view. Stop.